welcome back to another video. What's up, y'all? We got our next FabFitFun box. This one is the Spring 2021 box. I definitely love the flowers and florals of this box. This is a really cute box. I love the design. And if you guys don't know, they normally collaborate with an artist. Usually it's always women. Sorry, the heat just came back on, and they normally have somebody do the art for the box. So this is really beautiful, right up my alley. Very much in the know of what I'm going through right now, because currently I'm looking for a florist for my wedding. So yeah, this is speaking to me a lot. And as you see, they added the sticker here on the side. It says your add-ons are on the inside, because sometimes they'll send a separate, they'll send two boxes, this box inside of another box with the add-ons on the extra. So without further ado, let's go ahead and open the box. So this is what it looks like on the inside as is. I'm going to go ahead and put this to the side and start showing you guys what we got. All right, so you do always get a FabFitFun magazine. In the magazine itself, it does give you, your editor's note, of course. Talks about some of the items that can be in your box, and then it kind of goes into the community thing. So it talks about some of the stuff that they're doing, any charities. It talks about exclusive deals. It gives you some ideas on some of the stuff that you can do with the items that are in the box, like all of your beauty stuff. Talks about your home stuff. A couple of articles. They do talk about fitness and fashion, food. Here's some exclusive offers here. And then this is a little giveaway that they always do. They do always give you one of these. So I'll bring this closer for you guys. If anybody wants to take a gander, you can go ahead and use that code, because I don't use them anymore. Looks like they gave us a couple of stickers, which is cute. Here we have this one is called Nourish, but it's like personalized vitamin and supplements. And then also got Grow Forth. Oh, it's like a little postcard. So if I wanted to share a code with someone, I can. So that's really cute. So I did go ahead and I got two of these. These are the charcoal wipes that cleanse and exfoliates from the company Black, and as you see, it does say in-flight approved. So this is probably something that I would add into my travel bag, but this was one of the things that I got in addition to my box this month. Each of them comes with 25. They are pre-soaked. They have, bring it closer so you guys can see. They have charcoal exfoliating glycolic acid, which is an AHA, and vitamins A, B, C, to help cleanse and remove the top layer of dead skin, which is really cool. And that's pretty much my biggest, I've been trying to really work on texture of my skin. So that's one of my extras. All right, one of my other extras I got is the Joia Argan 100% pure argan oil. I really love argan oil, especially for my hair, especially when I have it pressed. That's what I usually use to keep it moisturized. So I wanted to get a bottle. This is what it looks like. You see it has that amber color, so it kind of keeps the oil from going rancid too fast. But this is a 50 milliliter bottle, or 1.7 fluid ounces. If you guys never tried argan oil, definitely try. I like theirs, and I also like Moroccan Oil's version. So that's the second thing that I got. Next I got this, and this one is actually for him. This is a sponge with built-in exfoliating, and it has a body wash inside of it. And I've gotten two of these in my boxes before, and I really do like them, and I figured this would be probably something that he would like to use too. So one side is a little less rough, if you can see. No, it kind of looks the same, but the other ones that I've had, one side is a little bit more gentle than the other side. But I know him and his exfoliating, he encouragement. It smells really good. And he likes to use Dove men's, so that's cute. Smell this. But yeah, this is also, I got something for him. I'm not sure if I'm going to just give it to him, or am I going to do a Father's Day gift for him. But yep, that was the third thing I got. Next, I did go ahead and get this watch from the company called Monroe. It is like a gold, rose gold and gray, and it's like a favorite combo of mine, as well as like red and rose gold. So that's what it looks like. They called this the Sunburst Soleil Rose. That's what the back looks like. I think this will look good. I'm not going to put it all the way on, but this is how it would look on my wrist. So I think this is real cute. And, you know, considering I'm not doing bedside nursing anymore, it's like perfect, because now I can wear my good watches. And then lastly, what I got in my additions is this Truly Clear Blemish Bar. And I believe this and the sponge were both not a part of this box, but extras, like add-ons that you can add. So just for reference, these two were in the add-on sale. Whereas, and this was also part of that add-on sale. Whereas these two were additional things that were a part of this box selection, okay? So I got this for someone in particular that I know that is having some troubles with like acne. So I wanted to get this and give this to them to see if it would actually help them. And what I liked about it is that it's 98.42. You can't see that percent natural. So those are all of my extras. And just so you know, retail, I'm gonna go retail for all of my additions of the actual box. So retail of this watch is $105, and retail of this oil is $49. Now on to the box. All right, so in the box I did get this Sorbus cosmetic organizing case, and I have like a few of these other ones for like my makeup, but I definitely need more. Like the struggle. I'm going to be doing like a little bit more organization, so I needed another one. I really like the like little pattern thing that's in there. Is really cute. Mine is more like a rose gold accent to it, of course, because I'm Joia. But yeah, so I got this to use, and the retail, going in the box, okay. Retail for this item is, okay, why was I struggling with this box? So retail of this item is $30. And if you guys don't know, with FabFitFun, general cost of the box is normally $49.99 plus like tax, shipping, or whatever. So if you think about it, it's normally always around anywhere from like $60 to $70, depending on like where you're from. Like for me, that's what it normally is for me. All of my additions that I got came to $60 something. I'll put the exact amount here on the screen, so I'll let you know what the full value of my box is, and then I'll kind of give you a breakdown of what everything is too, so then you can kind of see like how much I paid for the box versus how much all of these products are worth. Okay, next product. All right, so this is a FabFitFun pick. So this is like a surprise pick that they put in here, and this is Human in Kind moisturizing hand scrub, and it's an elderflower and raspberry, which probably smell really good. It's 2.5 fluid ounces here, good for 12 months. You can recycle the packaging. I do have a lotion that I got from FabFitFun. It's like their cucumber melon one, which is really nice. So I can't wait to see how this one smells and feels. So this is a scrub. All right, I'm thinking this thing you could take off and like open it up. No, it's not the case. So that's what it looks like. So as you see, it's a white. So it's very fine, like granules to do the exfoliation. It feels really good. And the smell is really light. It's not strong at all. So this I can actually get with. So yeah, that is the hand scrub. Oh, this retails for $15. Okay, next up is this Verso Super Eye Serum with Retinol 8. Clearly, it's an eye cream here. It's good for 6 months once you open it. It's supposed to help firm and smooth the eyes. Here are all of the ingredients here. In the book, it says, energize tired skin around the eyes and target signs of aging with Retinol 8. And this retails for $65. If you guys don't know, like, I feel like shading from my glasses, I don't know if that's even a real thing, but I feel like with my glasses, it does not help how my eyes look around them. But you know, with being a nurse, some days you don't sleep at all. If you do sleep, it's not for that long, because half the time you're waking up and jumping out your sleep because, you know, you're thinking about something. Oh my God, did I document that? Oh my God, I didn't chart that. Oh my God, I forgot this. Oh my God, this is this. Like, it's always something. So between that and then just like stresses of life, I just feel like, you know, I really want to, I'm really trying to work on my skin, definitely. And especially because of the wedding, I want to make sure I do my best to have my skin looking the best that it can for that big day, you know, because the pictures are going to be forever. Yeah, so like I said, this is the Verso Super Eye Serum with Retinol 8, and this retails for $65. All right, so this here is called Tech Candy. You guys can see the top of that. And this is their UV sanitizer. And you can go ahead and sanitize, as they displayed it, your phone with it. It is in this light green mint. Here's like a little study. It shows you how it was before versus after. It tells you it kills up to 99% of common germs in 5 minutes. It emits radiation. It tells you what the radiation numbers are, which is supposed to be effective, and it helps with killing bacteria and microorganisms. It tells you that it has a charging cord and what the device dimensions are. So I got this because I feel like between the both of us, like when I was at my job, they actually had one of these, and I used it when I would come home, because sometimes, you know, a lot of us would like keep our phone in like a bag and we keep it on our person. And sometimes I just didn't feel like the hassle of that. So, or it would just be too bulky for my pocket. So I would just make sure I try to like sanitize my phone by the end of the shift. And I bought this so I can continue on doing that, since, I mean, at the moment I'm not going out, but it will be helpful if I do need to touch my phone while I'm out, and then he can also touch his phone. I just think it's just better. So I got this, and like I said, this retails for $60. All right, so this is Summer and Rose tweezers with a pouch. I mean, I like tweezers, and I like, you know, using them for different things. So I just figured, why not get another one? So this is what it looks like. It's this cute little floral pattern with the case, which I just think is probably like the best part, because I always feel like I lose my tweezers in my bags when I'm like traveling. So this is what the tweezers look like. You know, pretty good. They kind of remind me of Tweezerman, so I feel like the quality is there. And then this is how it will look inside of here. Perfect. See, perfect. And looking at this, I can maybe even fit in a second one if I was to put it the reverse way. But I thought this was really cute, and I wanted to get it mainly because of the case. But yeah, this is the Summer and Rose tweezer with pouch, and this retails for $20. All right, next up is the Nails Ink nail polish, and this is called Mayfair Lane. I think this is a really, really pretty color. It has, if you guys don't know, nail polish also expires. If you ever wonder why your nail polish keeps separating, it's probably because it's bad. But yeah, this is the nail polish. Looking for polishes that I could probably, like, you know, use for my wedding. Let me give it a little, but yep. This is how the brush and stuff looks good. It's nice and wide, so I feel like it would definitely help. But I mean, you know, nothing to it. It's just like a nice pink color. I feel like it'd be like a good neutral color. Even for like my flowers girls, this would be like a good color for them. And this retails for $15. So this is also another one of those FabFitFun picks. So this is the Pink Sky Cactus Sipper Cup. So you just take your, you know, fluids on the go. On the thing here, it does say it is 21 ounces. It does come with a straw, which is cool. It is dishwasher safe, BPA, lead, and phthalate free. It just says, you know, wash therapy, and then you're only supposed to use it for your cold liquids. Good for ages 14 and up. I'll show you guys what the inside looks like. I think it, I mean, it's kind of cute. Will I actually use it? I don't know. This may be going to a kid that I know. But yes, this is this little cup here, and this retails for $20. I mean, I like that part, but this retails for $20. All right, and the last thing in my box is this here. This is from Yam Studio Select. I probably butchered that. But this is the Ultimate Core Toning Kit, and it says tone your core and improve flexibility with the Core Plus Reformer and Mini Ad Ball. So I got this. If you guys don't know, I definitely am on the quest of toning up, slimming down, and being snatched. Okay, snatched to the guns for the wedding. So these are the two things that it comes with, and it does give you a couple of things that you can do here, as well as it gives you the website to go in order to find some workouts too. So I thought that was cool. And then I actually get like a couple of codes that I can use if I wanted to try some of their other stuff. So I mean, when I saw this, I really wasn't sure about what this is supposed to do, but I definitely wanted a new mini ball, and I'll show you what this mini ball looks like blown up here. But this here retails for $50. All right, guys, so that completes this unboxing of my spring 2021 FabFitFun box. Let me know if you guys like any of these items that I have, or if you've used any of them and how they work for you. Definitely let me know. I will tell you, my hand feels really good right here, so I'll probably be using that soon. But I think probably my favorite thing is to watch the tweezers, the fitness stuff. That's pretty much where I know that's my favorites right there. Let me know if you guys are subscribed to the FabFitFun box. If you aren't, I will leave my link down below as a referral link. I believe you do get money off. If it does, I will put it here on the screen for you guys to see as well. But hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.